风趣
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係妹長。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。现在快到毕业的时间了，对不对？然后要完成很多事情。
論文。
对，没错。How do you say 完成呢？
完成。
完成 That means to complete. For instance, you have to complete your graduation thesis. 毕业论文终于完成了。
總算了畢業論文。
終身留畢業論文。
完成嘞，
完成嘞，
開心，
完成了，對不對？那畢業叫畢業，that means to graduate. A graduation thesis 論文。
完成嘞，
那畢完業的時候，夏天到了，我有朋友要結婚了，我們就會說什麼？他要完成他的終身大事，也是 complete, right? Like in Chinese, when we say lifetime achievement, it means you're getting married. So he's going to complete a lifetime achievement this summer, or getting married, basically. 今年夏天，他要完成他的終身大事了。
要在一天，
要在一天，
記住愛完成，
記住愛完成，
假終身大事嘞，
假終身大事嘞。終身大事，
終身大事，
終身大事 literally means lifetime achievement, and it means marriage in Mandarin and Hakka. Very good. All right, this is very useful. Let's teach you some of the phrases we brought up, including graduation or to graduate, 畢業，
畢業，
畢業, and then it's going to be summertime, 夏天，
一天，
一天, and then finally to complete something, 完成，
完成，
完成. And there you have it, another round of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字寫
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.